Broadly, we do have something called Alpha Plus in sub-Saharan Africa. So Alpha Plus seeks to improve livestock productivity and health advancement of African livestock. So today we want to, or rather it's an ongoing process whereby we've started training, or rather capacity building, training farmers in Kenya. And also these farmers, we are training them through animal health service providers. So we are calling it a TOT program, whereby we are training trainers. So we are hoping that through these trainers we can extend these trainings to the farmers. So the overall picture is to train 100,000 farmers by the end of the year, and trying to improve livestock production systems in more African countries, especially in sub-Saharan Africa. Apart from training, we're also looking forward to improving the diagnostic capacity, because most of the times veterinarians or veterinary paraprofessionals in the field suffer from poor diagnostic, or rather lack of diagnostic facilities. And that is still work under progress, and we are hoping that we can improve the diagnostic capacity of Kenyan livestock industry.
We live in a world where we are faced with a lot of uncertainties, especially on diseases, and of course a big percentage of these diseases always emanate from animals. So it is important that farmers are aware of some of these good animal health management practices to mitigate diseases, not only diseases that affect animals leading to poor productivity, but also to be able to block the spread of these diseases to human beings, what we call zoonosis, and then also to be able to contribute to the One Health strategy that we are now all taking up, being and of course understanding that we live in a world that we all share this environment, and it's always good that we have practices that promote a good environment, a healthy environment that is all safe for all of us to coexist. So that's the main reason why we are advising farmers to take up good animal health management practices. We do not want them to use a lot of antibiotics, to misuse antibiotics, so that we are able to mitigate against the issue of antimicrobial resistance.
Farming is a business. It comes with challenges here and there. Mostly the losses or the challenges that we incur because of lack of knowledge and access to services. So as an organization and a program, we are coming up with a way to enhance knowledge and enhance access to services, especially extension services, like veterinary services, so that we reduce costs of production by reducing diseases or eliminating diseases, which is a major cause of losses in most
farmers don't vaccinate their chicken, and if they do, they don't do it in the right way, which you have been taught here. Also, they don't look at something like biosecurity measures, that is like foot bath, people just entering their farms without disinfecting themselves, that is carrying the diseases from areas to their farms, which causes most chicken to die. So we are here, the program is good. After here, we are going to train farmers and show them the best methods of keeping chicken, and which will improve on their management skills, and that will greatly improve on their production. That is either if it is for meat or egg.
This is a relationship I want us to encourage and grow, so that in future some of your vets can even come here on attachment for 2 or 3 months. If you have any other trainees who would want to have real farm experience, they're most welcome to this farm. We will grow it together. I want to grow the farm to an institution which can help support this kind of training work. So I'm so glad that you came, and I'm sure we've had a good time.
Bukura Smart Dairy Farm, we have a total herd of 36 animals. These animals are at different age stages. We have 19 adults, we have 12 heifers, we have 5 winners, and then we have 3 calves. out of these animals, we are milking 13 with an average of 8 liters per cow per day. And the milk that we produce, we sell to the locals at 60 shillings per liter. And the demand of milk is very high. We don't have any challenge on selling them. The customers pick the milk from here. And in terms of the structure, we have a zero grazing unit that our animals are totally confined in the unit, and we feed them on hay and silage. Those are the basal feeds. We also procure the supplements, the concentrates, that is dairy meal, calf pellets, and young stock pencils. We also supplement them with mineral salts, and they have access to adequate water.
Shika masikio.
Kumbe nimefanya